Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the current affairs show, the daily one-liner series of 4th and 5th July. So let us begin with the today's session. Rural Development Minister released compendium on best practices to address gender issues through Social Actions Committee of self-help groups by the answer is DAY NRLM. Union Minister of Rural Development is the answer is Narendra Singh Tomar and his constituency is Morena MP. Department of Space has placed norms, guidelines and procedures for private players. It is the answer is Draft National Space Transportation Policy 2020. Portfolio of DOS is held by the answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Hardeep Singh Puri, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, unveiled plan for the answer is Freight Smart Cities. Sixth BRICS Culture Ministers meeting was held virtually under the chairmanship of the answer is Prahlad Singh Patel. Theme of BRICS Culturals meeting the answer is bonding and harmonizing cultural synergy. According to DST report, role of women in leading scientific research increases by the answer is 4%. Global minimum tax is set to come into force from year 2023 and it mandates how much percent tax on globally operating companies such as Facebook and Google. The answer is 15%. Secretary General of OECD. The answer is Matthias Cormann, who addressed the 17th World Congress for Cervical Pathology and Colposcopy. The answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. Theme of IFCPC 2021. The answer is eliminating cervical cancer. Call for action. And it should also be noted that this theme is aligned to the World Health Organization call for elimination of cervical cancer by 2030. World Health Organization has awarded which country as malaria-free certificate? The answer is China. Who has sanctioned rupees 388 crore for drinking water road projects in Odisha? The answer is NABARD. What amount has been sanctioned to Odisha under RIDF for financial year 2022? The answer is rupees 691 crore. NABARD has sanctioned how much for setting up 2 mega pipe drinking water supply projects in Odisha? The answer is rupees 254 crores. RBI has issued directions relating to appointment of MD and whole-time directors in all primary urban cooperative banks. What is the age limit? The age limit is between 35 to 70 years. World Bank has increased COVID-19 vaccine funding by 8 billion to how much? The answer is $20 billion. Government has extended the retirement age of LIC chairman from 60 years to the answer is 62 years. Government has amended the LIC Act 1956 along with the Finance Act 2021 and increased the authorized capital from rupees 100 crores to how much? The answer is rupees 25,000 crores. RBI has imposed a penalty of rupees 25 lakh on which bank? The answer is Punjab and Sindh Bank. India has set what target for merchandise export in 2021 to 2022? The answer is $400 billion. Invest India was awarded as the answer is World's Most Innovative Investment Promotion Agency of 2021. R.K. Sabharwal awarded the Order of Polar Star. And who has awarded it? The answer is Mongolia. Shambhunath Srivastava appointed as chairman of IFUNA. Who has been sworn in as the new CM of Uttarakhand? The answer is Pushkar Singh Dhani. Edelweiss Group has sold its entire stake in Edelweiss Gallagher Insurance Brokers Limited and insurance broking joint venture to the answer is Gallagher and Company. India's first indigenous autonomous drone defense dome AD-3, namely Indrajal, has been developed by, the answer is Green Robotics, and it is situated in Hyderabad, Telangana. Virgin Orbit has launched 7 satellites from 747 Boeing aircraft, making its company its first commercial launch. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports recognized WACO India Kickboxing Federation as, the answer is National Sports Federation of India. Author of book titled Nathuram Godse, The True Story of Gandhi's Assassin. Author's name is Dhaval Kulkarni. India to the Rescue. A children's book is authored by, the answer is Sushant Singh and Shruti Rao. When is International Plastic Bag Free Day 2021 observed? The answer is 3rd of July. National Postal Workers Day 2021 is observed on, the answer is 1st July. International Day of Cooperatives observed on which day? The answer is 3rd July or first Saturday of July. Theme of International Day of Cooperatives. The answer is Rebuild Better Together. Headquarter of International Cooperative Alliance, and who is the president of it? So the headquarter of International Cooperative Alliance is in Brussels, Belgium, and the president is Ariel Guaraco. So by this we come to the end of the today's session. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos, and please do keep showering your love and support to this channel. Thank you so much.